Hello there. Today we're going to review the anatomy of the bee and then take a look at a way they communicate called the waggle dance. So just for reference, there is a website here for bee anatomy which will help you do the first slide on the parts. So go ahead and open that document today. That assignment's linked in Google Docs, Google Drive. So it's the same as it's been in the past. And then you can go ahead and you can move these wherever you want. So let's say you think it's the first one. It's not, just so you know. You can move them around. Go ahead and make sure all the parts are placed, and then you can move on to the waggle dance. So this is an interactive game. Go to this website up here and pay close attention. It starts out like this. Pay close attention to the introduction because that'll tell you how the waggle dance works. So depending on how far the bee runs here, her little waggle run will tell you how far away the flowers are. And then it gets directional based on which direction she moves. So if you see in the game that she's just doing a little round dance, that means that the flowers that she just picked from are close to the hive. So please make sure that you kind of go through this, take a look, and then you can hit play the game. I would like for you to do the beginner mode today, and as you are playing it, I want you to take screenshots of how you did. Obviously, I got a lot of incorrect guesses the first time I did it, which is fine. I didn't really read the directions. I did that on purpose because sometimes that's what you guys do. So I wanted to see how it looked and went through for you. So go ahead and make sure you screenshot these and add slides for the 4 different levels so that I know you did them. And then there's a couple of questions on this slide. Here's an open slide for you to add, or you can add it in between. It really doesn't matter. Either way is fine. So thank you and have a